the LG V22 and today I'm doing a video for the Samsung Galaxy A32 5G for quicker wireless. So the Galaxy A32 is a new phone for the wireless. It's available now for $279.99. So yeah, it's a pretty nice looking phone here. It's available in the amazing link. So yeah. So this is an affordable 5G smartphone. So yes, it does the current thing in front of you. So you gotta set your teardrop match for different facing camera. Power and RAM cage will be on the side of the phone now. On the left side of the A32 is a SIM and micro SD card slot, so put it there. And then on the back of the Galaxy A32 is your camera setup here. I think it's 4 cameras in the back here, along with the camera cards. You also have a Samsung logo, and like I said, it's available in this amazing color here. So the phone looks very nice. It looks better than the blue Galaxy A12 that Cricket has available now. So yeah, the phone looks very nice and all that. So if you guys are a current customer or a new customer, it's $279.99. There is no discounts in the phone, nothing like that. So it's $279.99 across the board. So the Galaxy A32 has a 6.5-inch display, 48 megapixel rear facing camera, 64 GB of storage, which isn't too bad. So say hello to one of the most affordable 5G phones in the market, the new Galaxy A32 5G, with some of the best features Samsung has to offer. Capture the awesome memory of every day, get the complete package of amazing camera and edge-to-edge display and an elegant modern design, right? So you guys have 4 cameras on the back. So there's 4 cameras on the back, plus a 5-person camera, of course. So you get 5 units camera system, including a 48 megapixel main rear lens. So 4 cameras on the back and a front-facing camera on the front, of course. It's expansive 6.5-inch Infinity LED display. I think this is a 1080p display. I think, if I remember correctly, I could be wrong. I think it's 1080. Power to stay connected with a long-lasting 5,000 mAh battery. 64 GB of built-in storage, a fast and reliable octa-core processor, for smooth life for scrolling, simple, clean, and modern design. Awesome cameras capture stunning selfies to epic landscapes and everything in between. The Galaxy A32 5G gives you multiple ways to add sunshine to your everyday. 4 lenses in the back, plus a front facing camera means you are ready to go wherever and get ready to go wherever inspiration may lead. Power to stay connected. Give your charge a day off. With a long-lasting 5,000 mAh battery, the Galaxy A32 5G will be sure to keep up with your life on the go. And with super quick fast charging, you can get a quick boost when you need it. Fast charging capability to provide a charger. Plenty of storage. You should not have to trade through your phone to delete precious memory because you are out of storage. The Galaxy A32 5G comes with up to 64 GB of internal storage for all your favorite pics, apps, and more. And you can expand your memory up to an additional 1 TB with micro SD card. Of course, it's sold separately. Specimens phone, like I said, they're pretty good. I mean, this is a budget phone, so you do keep it in mind. Especially here, they're pretty good. It's not bad for 280. It's not that bad. So you guys get Android 11 on the Galaxy A32 with MUI 3.1. I think that's what it is now. So pretty cool. So you're getting the latest and greatest in terms of OS. Your dimensions on the Galaxy A32 6.46 inches height, 2.99 inches width, and 0.35 inches depth. 6.5 inch display. That is an HD plus display. It's not Full HD. I thought it was Full HD, but it's not. It's a 720p display. So it is a 720p display. I thought it was 1080, but I was wrong. But you guys should get better luck in this one because it has a 720p display. Y'all guys should get better luck. The display itself. The display itself will look decent enough for you guys to use it or whatever. It's not like it's not a quad HD display, but it's not terrible either. So you guys have 64 gigabytes of RAM, 4 gigabytes of RAM, 1 terabyte of micro SD expansion. So take advantage of that. So your connectivity options for the Galaxy A32, of course, it's 5G, which is the main selling point for the phone. Wi-Fi 8 at 211 APG and ANC, Bluetooth 5.0, Type-C charging, mobile hotspot, Wi-Fi calling. So you guys do get 4 cameras in the back at 48 megapixel, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel depth sensor, and a 2 megapixel macro lens in the back, and then a 13 megapixel front-facing camera for your selfies and stuff like that. Processor is an octa-core chipset. I don't know what processor is, probably MediaTek processor in here. I don't know, 5,000 mAh battery. Digital handheld compatibility is there. Accessories. If you guys want to get accessories for the Galaxy A32, go to Amazon and type in Galaxy A32. Probably to get your accessories there. I think they're also cheap on Amazon as well, so don't buy accessories from Crooked, buy them from Amazon. Of course, just like small mail at Crooked, you get ones that you want and the service that you need, so you can do more of what makes you happy. Of course, there's no annual contracts, no credit checks, no hidden fees, no stress, of course. So yeah. So there you guys have it. The Galaxy A32 5G is now her Apple provider, so together now for $299.99. So if you guys are looking to get an affordable 5G smartphone, the Galaxy A32 is the phone. The phone does look very nice. It has a white color to it, which looks very nice. It definitely looks better than the Galaxy A12 blue color that Cricket has available. So I will give it that. It looks very nice with the white color on it. It looks very nice. So yeah. So if you guys want an affordable 5G smartphone, the Galaxy A32 is definitely worth picking up for $299.99. Instructions here are pretty good on the display. It's 720p HD plus display, but the display should not look that terrible. So the display itself should be pretty decent to view it on. So the display itself should be decent. So 720p display is not bad. I mean, it could be worse, but yeah, it's not bad at all. 720p display is good. I think I don't know what type of display it is. I don't know if it's AMOLED or if it's a TFT LCD. I don't know. But anyways, guys, that's the A32 is still a nice looking phone with great specs and stuff like that. So yeah, man. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. So there it is, Galaxy A32 5G. Available Apple device. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.